I think when the players now hear that someone is alleging brutality while in custody, it is something that is being believed. Of course, once substantiated, but it's not
Right.
automatically dismissed. And of course, I want to be very careful not to disparage good policemen, and not that these were bad, but things I can't explain it. I want to be very careful. You got to be
It's
politically
still
correct here,
things. Yeah,
right?
right.
But, you know, I'm not disparaging anybody, but some things should not happen. Okay.
Right.
And I can say that I think a great shift also happened in our country when there was an incident of a suspect actually dying while in police custody. And it was confirmed that it was at the hands of the officers who had charge of him. And so awareness is everything. Perception is everything. When you're young and you're growing up, you believe the police are all good. They're there to protect you. They're there to serve. You don't think that something as egregious as this can happen. But one thing these chain of events have caused is persons to open their eyes. And I hope I'm not rambling. I want you to get to your next question. But
No, no, no.
what has also happened since that time is we find that recordings and audio have seemingly been used more. In fact, there was a sign that warns you as you come in now, you're being recorded. Okay, now trial is another conversation, but at least there have been mechanisms, or there has been advancement in the area of technology, and trying to at least
Right.
show a suspect while they're being interrogated.